And you know, at first it seemed silly and we were having a really good time laughing about it and everything, but I really wanted to come here and show you how it can generate into serious income streams for you. Hello, my YouTube people. How you doing today? It is the 12th day of Vlogmas. On the 12th day of Vlogmas, my tribe gave to me. So I guess you are all wondering what you guys picked. Well, you guys picked Reindeer Poop. You guys are really funny. So you all wanted to see what I came up with Reindeer Poop as my inspiration. Well, without further ado, I'm not that corny. I promise I'm not that corny. We are going to kick it off with, in all seriousness, I decided to spin this really funny theme into various ways that you can create multiple streams of income using this one idea. You're all familiar with franchises. The franchise means something like an elf on the shelf that starts off with an idea. It started off with a doll and just became this whole sensation centered around the holidays. Now there's products, there's merchandise, there's this whole big to-do with elf on the shelf, and it just started off as a funny idea. Well, I'm gonna show you how the same thing could be done using reindeer poop. Well, of course, I also have a DIY to show you, and I will leave that till the very end, so keep watching. So the first thing that I generated using the reindeer poop idea is, on the first day of Vlogmas, my tribe gave to me. I'm not gonna sing that throughout the whole song. You saw what happened yesterday. So the first thing that I generated was this adorable card. So I went on Midjourney and I generated this adorable deer art, like I'm gonna demonstrate in the video that you're about to see. Then I took it to Canva. I brought it into Canva where I generated, as you saw, some type around it and a whole theme with this adorable Christmas card. But it doesn't stop here. This is not your typical blank card. You can really have a lot of fun with this, and you can really make this into a profitable business. Even if your business was just cards, greeting cards, you know, any kind of card, any kind of greeting card, you can really branch it off and dive deep into it. But this is one thing that we generated using reindeer poop. It says, I was so sad not knowing what to get you for Christmas. And it's a sad little deer. Then it says, then I got an idea and felt an urge. Merry Stinkmas, made with love. So you see, this is one idea that is profitable, one stream of income from reindeer poop. Then, this is another idea. Wrapping paper sheets. How cute is this? I went on Canva and I created this adorable little sheet of wrapping paper. Now you can create them as big as your printers will allow, but look how cute this is. I'm gonna demonstrate a little box or something. How adorable is this cute little wrapping paper centered on reindeer poop? It's funny, it's adorable, it's kitschy, it's cute, it's bright, and it's a stream of income. Along with this, you can also generate tags and you can sell this. It's a digital product. You can sell it. You can sell it as a PLR so people can customize it. There's a lot of things that you can do. You can generate more images, but we are using this reindeer poop theme for this adorable wrapping paper. And if you wanted to have some fun with the kids on, you know, you wanted to create some kind of custom header cards or fun things that you can wrap chocolate with, or you can wrap like a candy bag with full of little chocolate disguised as reindeer poop, you can generate these header cards. You can staple these on the bags and attach them to any kind of gift basket or anything like that. This is also a printable that you can sell in your store as a digital product. So I don't know if we have any teachers or if we have any caregivers for children, or, you know, this could even be something fun for the kids or the family could do during holiday season where we want to turn our TVs off. I have gone ahead and generated little games via Canva, and we have reindeer poop bingo. You'll see you'll see how I generated it, and this can come with all of the little cutouts for the bingo that you can use as the bingo placement cards. And it's an adorable little game which you can create another stream of income. You can sell these in a pack, but you know, this one's reindeer poop, but you can generate as many themes as you want. But we started off with reindeer poop because that is our theme for today. You can create mazes, puzzles, crosswords, any kind of game that you can think of, trivia game. Canva is full of a lot of templates that you can go ahead and create and customize. This is another stream of income because this can also turn into a physical product. I mean, a lot of kids have iPads nowadays that they can color and procreate and things like that. But if you don't have an iPad or anything like that, and you just want to generate a printable for a coloring page that you want to make up, then there's this item. I generated this coloring page in Canva. He's funny. This can be for an adult or for a child. And then if you wanted to generate more images, you can always create more images in Canva, take this into BookBalt and download it, upload it actually into Kindle KDP and sell it on Amazon as a physical coloring book. Another stream of income. Another thing that you can create as another stream of income is open up a print-on-demand holiday lane shop using reindeer poop. You can call it Reindeer Poop Land, where you sell adorable things like hoodies and t-shirts and cups and tote bags and other things that they have on Printify or Gelato. Printify is really good. They have a lot of different items, a lot of different things that you can really branch off into. They have glassware, they have homeware, they even have things for pets. So back to Elf on the Shelf. Now they have Snoop on the stoop, Martha on the mantle. All of these adorable things are branching off through this one franchise. So I came up with, for argument's sake, let's do poop in a group using our reindeers, right? Let's use these reindeer for, you know, our poop group. You know, we can make this into a complete brand and pitch it to somebody and say, you know, I've come up with this, you know, I mean, don't use this one, but, you know, I've come up with this idea. This is all for you to branch on your own and develop another product. But how cute would this be, stemming from that one idea or that one silly notion of reindeer poop? You can really branch off and make this into an entire franchise. You know, well, of course, we, you know, don't do this, create your own, but I'm just showing you what we can do. So in line with that, we can partner up with Elf on the Shelf or carry over the theme and ask ourselves, what can our pesky little reindeer, poop reindeer, do with Elf on the Shelf to kind of work alongside with the Elf on the Shelf? So our little girl, Kami, has sparkles. She is her elf on the shelf. So we went ahead and we generated messages and coupons for sparkles so that these coupons can be used with sparkles. So this one says, "Dear Sparkles, I left this for you." How cute is that? You can team up with the elf on the shelf, put this next to it, and put some Hershey Kisses on it, and it could be an adorable little gag gift for Sparkles, the elf on the shelf. Then we can generate more coupons. I said, "Dear Sparkles, I left this for tomorrow," or "Please use this for tomorrow." And then, "Dear Sparkles, come find me," where they play little games looking for the little poop emoji or whatever thing we decided, a little Hershey Kiss or whatever chocolate we've decided to create out of reindeer poop. So it goes on and on. It can be really cute and really interactive. If you wanted to do a DIY, you can do a paperweight made out of clay. Making it made out of air dry clay, which will really work really well because air dry clay is like sticky. So I think it would have that gross texture. It would be really cute for a gag gift. If you're a chef, you can have reindeer poop cookie mix where you can generate a cute little header card like the one that we did here, talking about the reindeer poop inside the cookie mix. And if you can do this with ready-made cookies as well. So the possibilities are endless with what you can do with the reindeer poop, especially with baking and sweets. You can generate stickers for kids, for adults. You can generate trivia games, advent calendars. How cute would that be, with a different style of poop every day in the advent calendar? How funny is that? That's really funny. And I can see it being really adorable as a DIY. So these are all of the things that we have created for this video using reindeer poop as a theme. There is so much more that we can do with this one theme. I just wanted to show you how this theme that we created from a joke basically can really lead into serious streams of income and be quite lucrative during the holiday season. You know, these are the types of things that I have been able to think about and, you know, generate in my mind as I go around and I keep learning in this course that I'm taking. And, you know, at first it seemed silly and we were having a really good time laughing about it and everything, but I really wanted to come here and show you how it can generate into serious income streams for you. It's a funny thing and we're having a good time with it, but it's very serious when it comes to generating finances and using it as your business. Now, you know, we're looking at it in a whole different perspective when we can see that we can really create so many streams of income based on this one joke product. So that is part of the wonderful things that I'm learning in this course. I know I pitch the course all the time, but I pitch the course, and this is not a money pitch or a money grab. I pitch the course because if you are interested in doing this, and if you are interested in becoming a content creator, and if you want to be like those YouTubers that you see in YouTube generating these ridiculous amounts of income, well, this is the way to do it. You know, and I like this course because it's broken down into payments. You don't have to pay it all at once. And it's bite-sized pieces, so it's easy to understand. Our coach and our mentor, she's really down to earth. She teaches you. She's like a real person. You know, it's not like some robotic class that you're going to take with some robotic modules. So, you know, if you are serious and if you're ready to take that step, please feel free. It's in my link. It's in my description below. Check it out. It never hurts to look through it. That's what I always say. If I hadn't looked through it, I wouldn't be here teaching you about reindeer poop. Now, would I? So anyway, now for our last piece of reindeer poop. This is what I decided to create based on your choice. Are you ready? Are you ready? Don't look. Don't look. Don't look. This was created as a white elephant gag gift, and may I present you with the ultimate pieces of reindeer poop. What a funny gag gift this would be for somebody. Reindeer poop candles. I cannot believe, well, I found this mold and it's not, although it's not intended to be any type of poop. It's actually supposed to be a coil. I decided to, it looked like that to me, so I decided to do this with it. And yeah, when you guys picked reindeer poop, my mind went there and I was instantly overjoyed because I found a use for it, guys. I really found a use for it. So your last income stream for today using reindeer poop is this. So I hope that you have enjoyed Vlogmas. I hope that you have enjoyed the music. I had it created specifically for this Vlogmas. And I just love you guys. If this is your first time here, please if you like the content, please like and subscribe. But most importantly, please comment. I really want to know your feedback from this video. And I will see you guys tomorrow for Vlogmas 13. Maybe I'll do a horror theme. Maybe I'll do a horror theme tomorrow for Vlogmas 13. Woo! Peace.